This video, we've got a soft rocking up at the cop shop with his motorbike to complain about a vehicle of his that was towed the previous day for soft nonsense. This guy's been on our channel before. He's an old hand as far as softology is concerned. So anyway, he rocked up at the cop shop and complained about his car that was towed the previous day for soft nonsense. And as he left, the cops noticed that the bike that he came to the cop shop with has got illegal plates on. So they stopped him a little bit down the road. They stopped him and very interesting conversation. Let's go ahead and watch the video.
Hi, I'm Sergeant Robinson, Tacoma Park Police. See your license registration?
All right. So they stopped him and he immediately started to record the stop. He's not new to softology. He's been around the block a few times. We have him on the channel somewhere down there. You'll find him. His attitude is not very conducive for a good conversation, let me say that. Anyway, let's go ahead and see what he does on this stop.
What's your name and badge number, off?
Sergeant Robinson. My badge number is 8388.
What can I do for you?
Can I see your license registration, please?
What crime have I committed, off?
You don't have a tag. Your tag's not readable.
What crime have I committed, officer?
Your license plate's not readable.
First you said I didn't have a license plate, now you say it's not readable.
What is this? Can I see your license registration, please?
What crime have I committed, officer?
A traffic violation.
A traffic violation? I'm traveling.
Okay.
Okay, I don't need a license and a registration to travel on my private property.
You did?
The attitude of this guy is amazing. He he's something else.
You need a license to drive a motorcycle.
I do not need a license or a license plate to travel.
Look, this point this guy is actually correct, right? He does not need a license to travel with. I agree with him 100%. The problem is his definition of travel is a little bit skew. Definition of travel is you sit in the passenger seat. You don't sit in the driver's seat. So you can be in a bus, a car, a plane, Uber. Doesn't matter what he wants to use for traveling with, as long as he doesn't sit behind the driver's seat and he's in control of the vehicle. That's the definition of traveling. Nobody says he can't travel. He just has to sit on the passenger side if he wants to travel. Simple.
Hey, I'm definitely going to need another one.
So what are we going to do, sir?
I don't know, you tell me.
You tell me. You're the one that stopped me.
I need your license and registration.
Well, that's not what you're going to get. I don't need a license on my own private property.
This isn't private property, it's a public property.
This motorcycle is a private property, sir. This is a public street. The Supreme Court has ruled I'm traveling. I don't have to need it.
You need a license to
I
drive.
do not need a license, sir. Nor do I need plates.
Yeah, I'm still going to need another unit. Maybe two.
So what are we going to do, sir? Is your body cam on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Your Honor, this individual has stopped me on a public street, riding my private property, telling me I need a license and I need plates on my own private property. Show me the law or the statute, sir. Show me the law and the statute.
Looking at this guy's posture, I have to say it looks like he really believes that what he's doing is correct. And it seems to me like he has been before judges or DAs or, and they let him off the hook. It looks like that to me. I could be wrong. But you don't get this attitude if you don't have something to back you up, or you believe that something is correct that's backing you up. That's all I can think. This guy's attitude is off the charts. Off the charts. Am I wrong? What do you guys think? Looks to me like some judge, some DA has given him validity on his belief system. Could be wrong, but it looks like that to me.
But specifically, but
Okay.
section 13 in the transportation article is for registration.
For driving, I'm traveling.
Yes.
For commercial use. This is not commercial use.
Doesn't matter. You're on a
Oh,
public
it does
street.
matter, sir. It does matter.
Okay.
So what are we going to do now, sir?
I need your registration and
not
your
gonna
license.
So what are we going to do now?
All right.
What are we going to do now?
I need your registration and your license.
What are we going to do now?
What about your name and date of birth?
What? You're not getting anything,
Nothing?
sir. Nothing. Zero.
Well, how can I tell who you are?
What are we going to do, sir?
I need
I'm
your
on
license
my
and registration.
Your Honor, I'm on my private property, riding on a public street, traveling, and this officer has stopped me.
You're correct in the fact that the officer stopped you. He stopped you because according to the laws that he has to apply, you have broken the laws. So he's done his job. He's doing exactly what he's supposed to do based on the criteria that he's been hired for. He stopped you. You don't have a licensed vehicle there. Nothing wrong with that. You go take this up with the judge. You can't fight the cops about that. Take it up with the judge. Let the judge make a decision there.
All right, sir.
Okay?
You're going to be placed under arrest if
Okay.
you're not giving us your license and registration.
Let me put this back in here.
Go for it. Put your hands behind your back. Do you want to give us your name and license? Name and date of birth? Anything? Nope.
This officer followed me out of the station, and now I'm being arrested. For what I'm being arrested for?
Driving without a license?
Okay. Okay.
I don't know.
Driving without a
You
license.
also not identifying
I'm not
yourself.
driving, sir. I'm traveling.
Yeah, it does look to me like you're now going to be traveling in the back of a cruiser. Hopefully you'll understand. You travel, you sit in the passenger seat or on the back seat. Cop will be driving. That's just what it is.
Same thing. I'm traveling. And I don't have the ID in the state of Maryland.
You have
What?
to give me at least your name and date of
I don't
birth.
have to give you anything.
You have to give me something.
Come on, let's go. I'm ready to go. You're going to learn a valuable lesson, sir.
I will.
Yeah, I hope that valuable lesson goes both ways. Although I won't bet a cent on that.
Where is this tag through? Is DOT exempt? Through a certain state? Nothing? Okay. Can you take it back to the station?
Can I get my keys off of that bike, please?
You can have the keys, but not the key to the bike.
Okay, I'll
I don't even know where you.
Where
Where are your keys? Where are your keys?
My keys are my private property, which
Where-
don't have jurisdiction.
Where are your keys?
I think it's a fair question to ask where's the keys, which is not in the bike. They're going to take you away from here. If the keys is not in your bike, not with you, it might be laying on the floor somewhere, on the ground somewhere. So they would probably want to find it for you. I don't know.
Just a moment. You said you wanted to. I got my keys. Okay.
Then take them. I had to go. They wanted me to go somewhere, and I saw this bike here with this tag that doesn't exist.
That's
So I
the
made a
tag that's
traffic stop.
on both of the other vehicles.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's the same. Well, read it. It spells private.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same.
Yeah, it was the exact same one.
It'd be a good tag if it was real.
The only thing is, like, I mean, his argument is the right to travel.
But saying he's a sovereign citizen
But
without saying
then,
that.
but then he has these vehicles for sale, you know, then that's conducting business.
Yeah.
That's no longer, you know,
All right, so this is where this thing ends. This guy's an old hand at this soft setology thing. Been around the block a few times. He was arrested, and they keep on letting him go. Um, so I understand why he thinks what he thinks. I do understand that. I don't agree with it, and I believe it's either weak judges, weak DAs, where they just don't want to take this nonsense. They don't want to deal with it, which I think is wrong. I think you should deal with it. You should nip it in the bud. They're not doing that, and so they are strengthening this guy's belief that what he is doing is correct, and that is wrong. It should not be like that, but that is what it is. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate your time. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and say hi down in the comments there. It does help us a lot. Good stuff. I'll see you in the next one.